Today I will show you how to stop this water dripping from this tap. It seems like the hot water side is not working properly, so I need to open this side. Before you open this, make sure you switch off the water from the mains. Okay? So I've just switched off the water from the mains. There you go. No more water. Now you could open this. If this is jammed, then I'm going to try to open it from there. Sometimes they get jammed on this side, because you've got to take this off and then that. It seems like it's jammed, so I gotta do it the way I told you. Here we go. It's loose. Hopefully. That's it. So this is called a cartridge. I need to change that. Probably cost maximum £9 max. But they come in different sizes. So I'll just take this to the plumber's shop and get the right size. There you go. I'm back. So it cost me £10.97, and I've just put the new one on. This is the old one. Managed to get this off as well. There you go. It got stuck because of light scale. In the future this will need replacing. So I'm gonna put this on and see how it goes. So I'm gonna put the new one back on and then tighten it with the wrench. There we go, it's fully tightened now. And then I'm gonna put the water supply back on from the main. There we go, it's fully done. Now I'm gonna put that back on. This side is on. Now I'm gonna have to put the water on and see what happens. So I put the water back on from the mains. So this is the time. Let me check. There we go. This one probably would need replacing soon. And there we go. It's not dripping anymore. So please do not try this at home without a certified plumber.